Hi friends, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to Walmart just to do some Christmas break grocery haul. So let's go. Now I'm second guessing myself about coming, but my family needs to eat while we're, especially with the vacation, but it's Christmas shopping last minuters, so this is probably the time I should have came around midnight, but that's okay. We're gonna get it done. Yeah, I'm all the way in back. I thought I found an aisle without anybody in it. Took 2 seconds and now they're here. So I'm a little bit disappointed at Walmart just because I just couldn't get my head in the game, so to say. But their ham was a little pricier than I wanted to spend. My nearby Vaughn's is on sale. So I'm gonna go check out Vaughn's. Ooh, I am tired and I still have more to show you. So let me get through this and then I will show you what else I got from Vaughn's. So let's unpack. First off, I got some thin sliced chicken. Now I still have a little bit of chicken in the back freezer, so I don't feel like I needed to get a lot of meat. So this is gonna be for a recipe. I can't wait. And then I bought 6 of these, you guys. These Southern hash browns, they have them for the best price at Walmart. It was like $2 each. I am making funeral potatoes, or maybe some of you might know it as a cheesy potato. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to show you how I do that. It is so good. It is like one of our favorites, but I only really make them for special events like at church or holidays. It's not like a normal everyday thing because it is just so rich, so delish. Can't have it every day. So got 6 of those, and I bought some eggs. With the boys being home on break, I got a couple of these mott sticks. Kobe really likes those. They're just $1.88 at Walmart, and it's a 6 count, I believe. Either way, it's good. Plus, I got some more butter because we'll probably go through more butter. So with the kids off for a couple of weeks, I needed to think breakfast. So, and for Paul too. So I got Paul these gluten-free bars. I know he really likes those. And I also got these gluten-free oatmeals. Now, I know oatmeal is gluten-free, but depending on the packaging, the processing plant, they can do other things. So it just makes Paul feel better. So we'll just make sure. And these actually aren't very expensive when you get them through Quaker. So, and he likes them. I got these for Ezzy. He loves these as a snack or for breakfast or just to make a meal a little more full for him. He loves these. I bought some sausages. These are the family size. There's probably like 20 in here, maybe 25. I can't remember now, but it's about 6 something for that. I can't remember exactly how much, but it was under $7, and I feel like it's always a good price to get them. These Frosted Flakes are $1 each, so I just thought I would get a couple for the kids. Who am I lying? They're probably for me too. All right, I got some orange juice. I hardly ever get orange juice, so I try to at least get it with some calcium. So, you know, something special for a couple breakfasts maybe. For that cereal, we got some milk, and plus for my recipes coming up, I do need some milk. So that's why I decided to get the gallon size, which means I'll probably have to go buy some more cereal. And we got a bunch of yogurt. It's been a while since we've had some yogurts, but I think even I might have some of these as well over these next couple weeks. So now I think I'm going to show you some lunches. So I got some more American cheese only because with breaks I can always make a grilled cheese when Ezra is hungry. So I think he'll do that. Plus, we also still have some cheeseburger or burgers in the freezer, so I can use those on those as well. I got some turkey. I got a double pack. We can make some sandwiches over the break. A couple of loaves of bread. I got Grandma Sycamore, but they didn't have it in wheat, so I got this brand. We'll see if the boys like it. It's wheat bread, so I'm pretty sure they will. I got 2 packs of cheese because Kobe really likes making cheese sandwiches. And of course, it's medium, so I really like that for my sandwiches. And then I just got a block of medium cheddar as well for some recipes. And we can't forget the healthiest lunch that I can make my boys. Top ramen, that's right. Do you know when my kids were smaller, I can't remember which kid, but they would call it toppin' ramen.
That's me.
Was that you? It was Jonas. He would want toppin' ramen. So, anyways, this is going to be for quick lunches over the vacation, and I'm okay with it. I got a couple of these French breads because we are going to be doing a Christmas meal, and I thought that this would be great in, as a substitute for rolls, that we could just do like some toasted French bread. Seems easy enough, and I'm trying to do easy since it's just for our family. I got some sour cream because we have a recipe to do. Plus, I had to get some more sugar. And then I realized I had more things to get, so that's why I went to Vaughn's. And let me show you what else I got. I just got some toilet paper and some foil, you know, kind of like the necessity stuff, some bags. But this, you guys, have you used this parchment paper sheets? It seems like a good idea, and I have some recipes. A lot of my cookie recipes say put it on parchment paper. So that's why I wanted to buy some, but this one was the only one I could see. So let me know in the comments if you use something like that. Just some little loofahs, and then this is my favorite hand soap. I love that smell. If you have a favorite smell or a scent, let me know what that is as well. Maybe I'll try something new. And then I just got some of these pans because one of the recipes I am taking over to my father-in-law's house on Christmas morning. Now I'm going to show you what I got from Vaughn's. So I want to show you what we got from Vaughn's. So I just got everything out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs for $10. That is such a good deal. So now we are stocked on sodas, 2 Diet Cream sodas, 1 Diet Coke, and then a Fresca. So that was a good buy. We also got buy one, get one free of these ice creams. So Paul is mostly the ice cream person, but I do have some extra sugar cones that we used in the classroom when you turn them upside down and frost them green. They look like little cute Christmas trees. So I have some leftovers for the kids. And then I got 4 of these. Look at Ezzy. I got your favorite. $1.25 for each one, you guys. So that came out to $5 for 4 packs. What a good buy. And then Paul said that these looked really good. These toasted coconut ones. Have you seen this flavor? So I'm excited to try them as well. And Cheerios are gluten-free. So that sounds really good. So I got 10 pounds of potatoes for 99 cents. That is from using the app. And then you guys, I got 4 of these, just the bacon, the Jimmy Dean, for 99 cents each, and I got 4. What a great price for bacon. So looks like, boys, we're having some bacon with breakfast this week, in the next couple weeks. That made Jonas happy. Okay, so we got Paul and Kobe some almond milk. They love having that in their cereal. I was out of some mayo, but I just got this one. It was on sale. My favorite is the safflower mayo. It kind of has a hint of a tang to it, and I kind of like that. But this is good too. I needed some pepper. And then I got some bananas and some Honey Crisp apples. I love Honey Crisp apples, but they're normally pretty expensive. But these were on sale for $1.99 a pound, which doesn't sound like a big sale, but believe me, they're normally like $2.99 to $3.99 a pound. Crazy. And then we bought a ham. So this is what I was so disappointed about at Walmart, is that their hams were $1 more. So this was only $11. This will be a perfect couple meals, hopefully, for our family. And I'm not quite sure when I'm going to make it. It might be the day after Christmas. So, and that's okay, because we have the whole couple weeks off. I did end up getting the Grandma Sycamore bread. They had it there. Woot, woot. And let me show you what else I got. I got this. This is my favorite detergent. It's on sale, so it was a good time to stock up. $5.99. And then, you guys, I got these dryer sheets. I was getting a little low, but have you tried these? These wrinkle guard ones. I think they're like 3 times the size, so they're like almost like a sheet of paper. And they really do smell pretty good. So let me know if you've tried these ones and if it works. Wrinkle guard, I'm not quite sold on that, but I still needed some. So that's what I got, you guys. Took 2 stores, some crazy shoppers to get around all of those people. But I think I got a good chunk of our food for the next couple weeks. And I'm just so grateful. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're wondering how much I spent, it was under $200. So thanks again, Rollers, for stopping by, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.